Google's NotebookLM has just released a handful of brand new features. First up is the introduction of video overviews. Think of these as a visual alternative to the existing audio overviews. The AI host will create narrated slides, pulling in images, diagrams, quotes, and numbers directly from your uploaded documents. This makes it incredibly effective for explaining data, demonstrating processes, and making abstract concepts more tangible. For now, video overviews are rolling out to all users in English, with more languages coming soon. And just like with audio overviews, you can customize your video overviews to fit your needs. You can specify topics to focus on, indicate your learning goals, and even describe the target audience. Let's walk through an example on how to create video overview. Say you're a teacher and you want to create a video explaining the key themes in Shakespeare's Macbeth for your students. You could upload the PDF of the play into NotebookLM, and then in the Customize section for your video overview, you could input focus on the themes of ambition and guilt. The target audience is high school students who are reading the play for the first time. Then click on the Generate, and NotebookLM would then start to generate a video, and it will take some time, like 5 to 10 minutes. Let's play the video and see what it created.
All right, let's dive into one of Shakespeare's darkest, most intense plays, Macbeth. Seriously, this thing is a high-speed thriller, the wars he's won. And this isn't just hearsay. I mean, the king himself, King Duncan, is his biggest fan. It's rock bottom, ordering the slaughter.
As you can see, it generates a video with narrated slides, pulling out key quotes, and even creating visuals to help illustrate these themes, making the content much more engaging and easier for your students to understand. Another exciting update is the introduction of featured notebooks. Google has partnered with respected authors, researchers, and publications to create curated notebooks on a wide range of topics, from in-depth scientific explorations to practical travel guides. You can find these in the new Featured Notebooks tab on the NotebookLM homepage. These notebooks allow you to explore content using all of NotebookLM's features, including reading the original source material, asking in-depth questions, listening to pre-generated audio overviews, and exploring main themes with mind maps.
So that's it. This is the video that I wanted to share with you guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.